Lobby hosts in Halo 5 are missing a lot of features from previous Halo games that often make hosting a lobby even more difficult than it used to be. Lobby hosts are the foundation of custom games and Forge, as they are the ones that are facilitating custom games lobbies and playing custom Forge maps. If players are discouraged from hosting lobbies due to missing features, then that has a ripple effect that decreases overall participation in custom games and also discourages forgers from forging. In this video, we will focus on the top 5 missing features that lobby hosts have grown used to having, provide details about the negative impact that they have, and show how the missing features worked in previous Halo games. We need to bring back the ability to set a maximum player count option. For example, the host would be able to set the maximum player count to 8 players if they wanted. The maximum number of players that can be in a custom game is still 16 players in Halo 5. Right now you can have well over 16 players in the fire team while in the menu, but the lobby host cannot start a game when there are more than 16 players. This problem can be solved by adding this feature. When Halo 5 launched, players were unable to switch teams mid-game. The content update in January added the ability for players to switch teams mid-game, but did not add the ability for the host to enable or disable this option like previous Halo games. In MCC, there was an option to enable or disable the team changing in the game mode settings, but the feature wasn't available even when this option was enabled. This is a good opportunity for 343 to make this work better than previous Halo games. Typically, the host will wait until teams are even to start a game, so they would probably want to disable team changing in the settings. However, if people leave or join mid-game, then they would likely want players to be able to switch teams. Due to these circumstances, the option for players to change teams should be available for the lobby host to enable or disable mid-game. Currently, the lobby host cannot boot a player in the middle of a game. This is obviously an issue. The lobby host needs to be able to boot a player in the middle of the game if they need to. There are currently 2 options for lobby privacy: friends only and invite only. There's another option that we need from previous Halo games, and that is open privacy. If the lobby host sets the privacy to open, then that would allow followers and recent players to join without an invite. With the Xbox One, some of us have well over 1,000 followers and literally cannot add everyone back as a friend. So this option would allow the host to spend more time focusing on the lobby and less time digging through messages to invite followers to the lobby. Previous Halo games also allowed you to change the privacy setting mid-game, and that was incredibly useful and should be brought back to Halo 5. Game chat is currently hosted on dedicated servers. The fire team isn't connected to a dedicated server until the map is almost done loading, so players are unable to communicate via game chat in the lobby menu. When everyone is in the lobby menu, the lobby host needs to be able to communicate with players to find out what they want to play and to organize them into certain teams for team-based games. We need 343 to do whatever it takes to make game chat work in the menus. What can we do about this? Quinn Del Hoyo is the multiplayer designer for Halo 5. Send him a tweet at Quinn Del Hoyo saying #H5 hosting pains with a link to this video and ask him to restore these missing features. Like, comment, and share this video so that they can see how many people want these missing features to return. Thank you.